got a new Christmas toy. It is a telescoping articulating pole hedge trimmer. This is the cheapest model I could find because I found the other hedge trimmers I used with one battery were perfectly legitimately strong. So hopefully this one will turn out the same. So it is the XNU05Z. I just purchased it. This is my need for my virtual privet hedge next door. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside it, how it's packaged. They deliver it straight from wherever the house is. So the company you order from never touches it, never sees it. And they ship it like this with no extra box. Craziness. Okay, so doing the unboxing portion. As we go through, this box looks like it's got a seam in the middle, like it's going to come apart like wrapping paper. But now we have to cut the tape and see that there's tabs to open up, and that lets the top fold open. Cardboard is really thick, which is excellent. As we get into this box, we look in and we see that the front blade has got a cover on it and it's wrapped around so that it can take impacts from the side. And as the cardboard's thick in the middle, it reinforces, and the end is protected by some corrugated cardboard to take any impacts and shock from the tail end, which is really good. So overall, very impressed at how well this worked. Cardboard is just so loud. Doing a voiceover, hopefully it still matches. Alright, as we continue, it's good. They have a blade cover, and it's just like the other machine with tandem blades going opposite, not one sitting still, but the blades moving in opposite directions. Nice little carrying case. I like this, runs in my garage, in the shed.